Alright guys, this 2009 Chevy 1500 came in to get the rear gas tank crossmember replaced. As you can see here, it's all rotted. It also came in to get the rear spare tire crossmembers replaced and to get the frame blasted, epoxy primed, and painted. In this clip here, I'm dropping the gas tank to get access to this crossmember. In this clip here, I'm blasting the rear section of the frame, getting it all prepped to cut out the old cross members and weld in the new ones. In this clip here, I'm using the Sawzall to cut out the cross member. In these next few clips, I'm going to be using the plasma cutter to cut out the section of cross members that go through the frame. In this clip here, I'm using the plasma cutter to cut out the rear spare tire crossmember. It does not go through the frame. It's just a piece of C-channel. In this clip here, I'm doing some welding. Here's a clip after all the cross members were all installed. Here's a picture after it was all blasted. In this clip here, I'm applying the epoxy primer. In this clip here, I'm applying the top coat. I use Imron Industrial Paint. Here's a clip after I got done spraying the top coat. Here's a clip of the final product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, give me a follow. And if you could, go give me a follow on YouTube and Instagram. My links are in my link tree in my profile.